So let me just tell you one thing. So despite even having the high score on all these, basic SEO, additional title readability, whatever the rank math SEO or Yoast SEO is providing me, but still I'm unable to rank. So why is it, despite even having the high score, we are not ranking the article? And even after me using AI humanizer, SEO agent, which is, by the way, I use to automate my blog articles. So I just asked Gemini one simple question, like why despite even having the high score and humanizing every single thing, writing people first content, why am I not ranking? So the reason is SEO plugins don't rank content, Google does. So with that said, the Google's algorithm is very, very dynamic and AI-driven machine that cares more about the human experience than the keyword density itself. Before, we used to focus on keyword difficulty and keyword density, and we used to take keywords and write blog articles for the Google. But now Google prioritizes articles which are people first content. That's why I say, even if it's 500 words or 700 words, write it for the people first content. So let's just take a look at why high score isn't translating into traffic. So the first one is green light trap. You can write nonsensical and repetitive article that hits every keyword but still get a perfect SEO score. So whatever this is suggesting, it's not true, okay? So you don't have to follow that. But yeah, some point of it you should follow that, but not every single time and not every suggestion it does. And second one is misaligned search intent. See, like you might have a perfect score per keyword. Okay, so you might have the perfect score for the keyword, best espresso machines, but if you post this long form history of coffee, the user just want to list the products to buy, you will never rank because user will click off and there is no user engagement if the user will click off, right? So if you show at the beginning itself the products, and this is a transactional and commercial keyword, so if you show the products, then of course he might spend some time on your blog article and then your user engagement will be increased. So that's that. So look at the current top 3 results are the listicles, how to guides, product pages, then you can follow the structure. And the authority gap with the EEAT introduced 2 years ago. So it's very important to give authorityness and trustworthy content and also showcase your expertise. And we have got the competitive saturation. So we have got the keyword difficulty, how to, strategize the keyword difficulty. And then we have got the technical roadblocks, which is site speed and core web vitals and indexing issues. So these are some backend issues which you need to fix in a Google Search Console. So with that said, these are the reasons why, despite having a high SEO score, your content is not ranking.